Like, because you will either, number one, outgrow your wife.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're not cognizant of your growth and you don't try and bring your life along with you,
mm-hmm.
then it's just going to end up like, because you just won't be in the same vibration. And it'll be awful to be with.
Think
about all those friends you have.
All your life.
It affects all of your life.
Mm-hmm.
Think about all those friends who you just don't even vibe with, bro. You guys used to fucking kick it all the time, always together, and then now together. Hey, yeah, what's up, bro? How you doing? Oh yeah, cool.
Yeah,
but like, there's no substance.
Mm-hmm.
You two are on two completely different vibrations now. Like,
and I completely tell her, like, look, like, you can get up in the morning, and go figure out what the Airbnbs need, what we need to get it here. Like, you just go, and I'll stay with the kids. I'll just work from here. You know what I mean? And just, it looks like when I leave, it's like, damn, like you just like being gone, but it's like, it's low key the peace. It's low key the peace of being alone. And so it's like, I want her to find that piece of being alone.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because I honestly don't think that you can grow and become a better version of you if you're constantly nurturing or taking care of someone else. You have to be in a car just looking at nature. And one thing that
process your thoughts.
That's like, why do I feel this way? Why do I feel this way? You know, what took me here? Or, you know, they talk a lot about millennials and how, you know, we get so caught up in our phones. And sometimes we lack imagination, and that comes from just sitting there and letting your mind wander. Well, if you're being a parent, your mind's never wandering.
Yep.
So you're never growing. And so I want her to wander. You know, I want her to think, like, why the fuck does he get up and just hop out of bed and go get coffee? Like, why is that so important to him?
You know, that shit's important. That to me, like,
to me, it's important. To me, it's important. But
number one.
It's hard for some people to understand, like, why I would get upset when something comes up in the morning. We need to go do something else, and I can't do that. You know what I mean? Like, why is that so important to him? Like, what is this piece that he's fucking getting by going to go get this coffee in the morning and writing in this Project 369 book? You know what I mean? So that's been my number one goal, or number one thing on my checklist for the last few weeks, for sure.
Journaling helped me out a lot as far as, like, who are you? What do you want? What's going on? Because I mean, we still went through, like, the not knowing who the fuck we are when we quit playing sports.
Mm-hmm.
Like, legitimately, like, bro, who am I? Like, you're a piece of shit. Like,
yeah.
All those other crazy thoughts of, I mean, it's nowhere near to where I think mothers get subjugated to where, like, oh no, you're just a mom, you're a stay-at-home mom.
Mm-hmm.
Even though that is an amazing thing. If you want to be more than that, you can be more than that.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So journaling down what you want to accomplish, like, same thing. I get it. Does she have a 369 book yet?
I bought it for her. Yeah.
That'll help out so much.
No, for sure. And as I read it, I'm like, oh yeah, you need to start reading this. So yeah, that's kind of where we are right now.